Hi friends, today we are making a German skillet dinner inspired by the kind of recipe comments that always ask for something crispy, cozy, and quick. This is sautéed Schupfnudeln with sauerkraut and bacon, chewy potato noodles browned in a smoky, tangy pan. It serves 4 and takes about 25 minutes. Ingredient walkthrough: 18 ounces fresh Schupfnudeln potato noodles are the chewy German base, and fresh refrigerated noodles brown beautifully in the pan. 6 ounces smoked bacon brings the salty, smoky flavor and gives us flavorful fat for sautéing everything else. 1 medium yellow onion adds sweetness, and thin slices melt into the sauerkraut without taking over. 2 cups strained sauerkraut give the skillet its bright German tang, and draining it first helps the pan sauté instead of steam. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter round out the sharp sauerkraut and help the potato noodles turn golden. 1 teaspoon caraway seeds gives that classic German cabbage flavor, earthy and lightly peppery. 1 tablespoon German mustard adds a warm sharpness that ties the bacon, noodles, and sauerkraut together. 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper adds a gentle bite without needing extra salt. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley finish the skillet with color and a fresh lift. We begin by setting a 12-inch skillet over medium heat for 1 minute, so the bacon starts rendering as soon as it hits the pan. Add 6 ounces diced smoked bacon and sauté for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often, until the pieces are crisp and the fat has rendered. Now that the bacon is crisp, lift it onto a white plate with a spoon, and leave the rendered bacon fat in the skillet. Add 1 medium thinly sliced yellow onion to the bacon fat and sauté for 3 minutes, stirring until the onion softens and turns lightly golden at the edges. When the onion has softened, add 2 cups strained sauerkraut and spread it through the pan so the moisture can cook off evenly. Sauté the onion and sauerkraut for 4 minutes, stirring every minute, until the cabbage looks glossy and a few strands begin to brown. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon caraway seeds and 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, then stir for 30 seconds to wake up their aroma. Push the sauerkraut mixture to one side of the skillet, add 1 tablespoon unsalted butter to the open space, and let it melt for about 30 seconds. Add 18 ounces fresh Schupfnudeln potato noodles into the melted butter, spreading them into as even a layer as the skillet allows. Let the Schupfnudeln cook undisturbed for 3 minutes, because leaving them alone is what gives the first side a crisp golden crust. Turn the noodles and cook for 3 more minutes, until several sides are golden and lightly crisp. Now fold the browned Schupfnudeln together with the sauerkraut and onion, and sauté everything for 2 minutes so the flavors mingle. Return the crisp bacon to the skillet and stir for 1 minute, letting the smoky pieces tuck between the noodles and cabbage. Add 1 tablespoon German mustard and the remaining 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, then stir for 1 minute until the noodles are lightly glossy. Turn off the heat, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, and fold it through the hot skillet for a fresh finish. Let the skillet rest for 2 minutes, then spoon it into 4 servings and finish with the remaining 1 tablespoon chopped parsley. The cooking is done, and the noodles should be golden, smoky, and tangy. And there it is, a German sautéed Schupfnudeln skillet that delivers exactly what those recipe comments ask for: crispy, tangy, smoky, and fast. Serve it hot as a cozy dinner with extra mustard on the side if you love that sharp German bite. If you enjoyed this skillet, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.